Hey guys, it's Keiko here, and we're back with another drawing video. This time I'm drawing Steve Burnside from Resident Evil's Code Veronica. If I'm gonna be totally honest, I've lost count how many times I tried to do this voiceover. I can't decide if I even should do voiceovers. Like, do you guys just prefer listening to music? Because like, I've tried so many times to try and explain the artistic process, and every time I just stutter, or it's kind of like, I don't know, I don't want to sound pretentious. I kind of like when the painting speaks for itself. Like, should I even be like talking about color palettes and theory and positioning? And I just like making pretty art videos, and I much prefer doing it like this than doing speed drawings. I kind of find speed drawings low-key kind of ugly. When you speed up like hours and hours of like painting footage, and it's kind of hard, almost impossible to keep the lighting completely consistent. So when you speed it up, you just got like these like lights flashing at you. It just doesn't look pretty to me. Whereas this kind of seems more relaxing because you kind of see real time how the ink sort of spreads. Also, I love doing inky borders. It kind of just helps frame the painting, and I kind of want you to draw your eyes to the center. So it's kind of a good way of being like a tunnel vision. Also, you probably notice, apart from the border, Steve is the only one done in black ink. The monster I purposely did with purple ink to try and keep him in the foreground and make sure Steve has most of the spotlight. So you might have noticed the axe weapon, it's like purple outline but black ink shading. That's kind of because I wanted this to look like it's between the monster and Steve. So again, it's just like different ways of like creating depth. Most of the colors are going to be purple and blue, and the reason I've done that is because Steve's most iconic features are his red hair and his golden pistols, and purple is like a nice contrast to both of those. So again, it's like another little way to make your eyes pay attention to Steve. And later on you'll see that with where I've done the monster's head and neck, that is like not purple, because I want you to see that and not focus so much on the monster's body. Also, have you guys seen like the official artwork of Steve's monster form? Like, his skin tones are insane. Like, there's purple, there's like fleshy wounds, there's like kind of like yellowy green tint. So like bringing it together was a lot of fun because like there are loads of colors to like layer. A lot of the official artwork I found of Steve himself, they do like purple highlights on him. So I kind of wanted to do that on both him and the monster to try and make it like more connected. So as you can see, like a lot of the shadows are purple because see, I don't even know how to talk about art. Come on, guys. Also, I didn't do it on camera because it was so fiddly, but like, Google Steve Burnside, right? Find his outfit, look at the trousers they gave him. His trouser design is insane. It kind of looks like camouflage, and it's got all these details. It was a lot of fun to do, but like, it was kind of sweating because like one mistake and it's like ruined. Also, fun fact, his golden pistols are done with like glittery golden paint. So in real life, of the painting, the guns are shimmering. And yeah, that's what it looks like. Shout out to the person who commissioned me to paint this. It was a lot of fun to do. If you guys would also like to commission me and possibly have it featured on this channel, all my links down below. If you'd like to support me making new art and have your own Steve, please go check out my Etsy. I've done limited edition prints of this painting. They're all hand signed and made by me in my home studio. There's also a bunch of other cool stuff on there, so go check it out. And if you'd like to support me even more, I have a Ko-fi, I've got memberships, it's a lot like Patreon but better. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching, I hope you have a lovely day, and I hopefully see you in the next video. Bye!
Wait! I can't!